Hey everyone, it's me. It's Christy. It is week 2 of online school. Hi, Christy's cat. She likes to say hi. Hi. Anyway, I'm excited for this week. I hope you are excited for this week. So I think if you're watching this video, you should know that you are enrolled in the Bunker Project for all your classes, or most of your classes this quarter. I am one part of that project. Also, my part comes at the end, so I'm assuming you guys have put in a few hours of work to this point. Maybe you decided to watch my video first. I don't know. In case you have watched my video first, or you are watching my video first, I just want to run through a few basic things real quick. So, if I'm a student, this should say your name up here. If I'm a student, I'm going to click onto my Environmental Science Schoology page real quick here. If you haven't read any of these, I'm going to read this pink one to you. So it says, Week 2, look for your name below. If it's not there, you're in the wrong folder. So, the names of the kids or students that belong watching this video right now are Shirley, Leah, Forrest, TT, Carla, Cheyenne, Cambry, Other Cheyenne, and Michelle. If you did not hear your name, you're in the wrong folder. That means you don't need to be watching this video right now. You are in the red folder. So all of your work for the quarter is going to be red, right? So you are doing a totally different project, so you can sign off now. Goodbye. You don't have to watch the rest of this. The rest of you, welcome. Okay, so here we go. I'm clicking on it, and I'm clicking on it. We are the pink folder. I've uploaded my directions, not mine, but the teacher's directions. You can access this through my Schoology page, like I just showed you. You can also access this through the Many Nations Webs page, where at the bottom it says, The Bunker Project class, go to. And then you can access it here, right? Hopefully you've already done this at this point, and you've already watched Laura's intro video, right? Again, my part comes in at the end, so I'm assuming you watched this intro video, and I'm assuming you've done all the 7 parts before this. If you haven't, please watch this video, go to this website, watch this video, follow the directions, and do the rest of the assignments first. Okay, so I'm going back to my Schoology page for a second. So, actually, yeah, I am. Okay, so, my part, I'm going to skip the rest, because my part, like I said, is at the end here, so I'm going to skip the beginning, skip step 1, 4, 5, Laura's part 7, alright, I'm getting down to 8. My science parts come in as step 8 and 9. So in order to meet the 2 learning targets for science this week, let me change my computer outlet here. Sorry guys. Always tech problems, no matter where I am, I guess. So I have one charger that has decided not to work, and I have another charger that does in fact work, but the cord is like a foot. Who makes a cord so small, I tell ya. I tell ya. And now my cat wants to be involved. See this? Alright, back in action, folks, back in action. Okay, so move the cat. So I'm on step 8. I'm going to read this step to you right now. So it says the primary materials used to build each of your 3 bunkers is either concrete or pipe. So for question 7, for Laura's question, you had to do some math on one of the bunkers that were in that magazine, right? So you're picking the same bunker. You're not switching bunkers. You're going with the same bunker that you used for question 7. You're just telling me here if it's made of concrete or if it's made of pipe. But that's not it. You have to tell me the minerals or the metals found in concrete or pipe. And this is actually a tough question. This isn't something that I think most people know. So I'm not making you do your own research. Yay.